This morning I called this stock at $10 on my Stocktwits account and it opened at $14. So basically if you had 2 grand, you would make $800 on this trade in the open. So if you're asking yourself how to realistically make $1,000 a day in a small account, I'm gonna demonstrate that method with a stock from today and last week. So the stocks are HUGE, that's a runner from today, and SNOA, that's a runner from last week. They're both low float stocks with high volume, and they ran on COVID-19 news. And basically the strategy is very simple. You gotta have a big broker. You gotta have a broker that lets you use a pre-market sessions. So I would say TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, and sorry if I'm forgetting anything else, any other brokers. So like something like Stocktwits or Robinhood wouldn't work because Stocktwits doesn't even let you pre-market, and Robinhood lets you pre-market 30 minutes, which is not really enough. So in here, the example that I have, this is a stock that I called today. I got in pre-market at $10, and I actually called it on my Stocktwits account. And I bought it around the dip area, right around the supporting area, just like I did with SNOA. And what I did is automatically, right after I bought it, I placed a market sell order. So what we know from this move, what I'm expecting from this move is basically we have a stock that's a low float and it runs on news. So it means it's going to have a lot of volume before the market opens. But it also means that right as the market will open, it will drop in price because people, right as they enter in the pre-market, they initiate market orders. So if you guys wonder why a lot of penny stocks just drop at the open, that's one of the reasons. And a lot of people don't even know that the pre-market hours are out there. A lot of people don't even have that pre-market chart, which is crazy to me. But the way I look at it is basically just getting in before the storm, or getting the sell price and reselling it in the full price. You know what I mean? So indicator wise, I bought it under the view up line in the under average price range, and in the dip. Now we're on a clear uptrend pattern, so it means that there's a potential for uptrending. But what happened is actually the stock halted right before the market opened, and at the open the stock was still in the halt. So it actually ended up opening at 10. The halt stopped at 10, and right as it stopped, well, 7 here in the West Coast, but right as it stopped, it completely dropped because, again, obviously everybody had their market sell orders executed. And as you can see in here, a lot of people would like to call those moves pumps and dumps, but they're not really. They're basically breakout and they discontinue. So as you can see in here, it's a small company that nobody really heard of, and then they made a big deal. So we have a bunch of investors coming in, but then as they get out, stock's not gonna keep going up forever. So they all sell off their profits, and it just, when it can't break the highest point of the day, will just start losing the momentum and just break completely in price. So that's why I never hold these and never recommend to hold or swing them. Let's just say if you're a new trader and you want to realistically make $1,000 a day, all you have to do is try this move on paper trading, because if you're going to try it in real money, you're going to probably mess it up. That's what most people do. It's really easy to understand things and to hear things, but it's hard to implement things. That's why we always trade on paper. The steps that I would give for something like this would be: first step, to do it on paper; second step, to do it with real money and a small amount; and then when you're consistent with a small amount, then take it with the real money that you want to trade it with. So strategy is very, very simple. All you have to do is just wait for the dip, pre-market, get in with a limit order, extended hours, and you have to have a big broker for that. You initiate market sell order, and right as the market opens, sells off, but you already made your profit. So I want to say thank you for all the new subscribers. We actually reached the milestone of 300 subscribers. Thank you guys for the support. Thanks for all the new Stocktwits followers. I love the trading community. You guys are very funny to vibe with. Very fun to vibe with. I'm sorry. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you guys. Till the next one. Peace.